Welcome. This is the Department of Chemistry DCS. In this video, I am going to show you how you can determine cations in unknown salts that you are provided. Specifically, during examination, practical exams, students are provided with unknown salts. In the course of the practical exam, there are some questions that will require you to determine the cation in an unknown salt. When you determine the cation in an unknown salt, automatically you know the metal that is present. And these are usually group 1 and group 2 metals. When you determine the metals, that will now be used in other sections of the question. So, this is a qualitative analysis, analyzing inorganic salts to determine the cation or the metals that are present in them. And this is a determination test. This determination test is usually carried out. One way of carrying out this determination test is through a flame test. Others could be by reacting them with other compounds to determine the results, or testing for cations or anions, testing for gases that are being produced in the course of the reaction. But in this situation, we are going to use but a flame test in determining the cation present in the unknown salts. We are provided with 6 salts. These salts, they are not usually, the names of the salts are not usually written there, but they are labeled with other labels. For instance, salt number 1 is labeled here as Fa1. Salt number 2 is labeled here as Fa2. Salt number 3 is labeled here as Fa3. Salt number 4 is labeled here as Fa4. Salt number 5 is labeled here as Fa5. And salt number 6 is labeled here as Fa6. In the lab, during the exam, you are provided with everything. Here we have concentrated hydrochloric acid that we use in cleaning the nichrome wire. The nichrome wire is provided because nichrome wire, this is a metal that does not react. So we need to clean it using the hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid, to ensure that the reaction of one salt and the other one does not disturb the color of the flame. You are also provided with the Bunsen burner. Now, the first thing you do in this type of thing is you need to wear your goggles. When you wear your goggles, you need to dip into the hydrochloric acid, clean it, then before using, you need to know that before using. Now you take a pinch of Fa1. Go closer to where the flame is blue. Where there's a blue flame, that is when, just beside the blue flame, and then you'll notice the color of the flame. For instance, here, okay, that is colored red. That is colored red in this is colored red that we have noticed. That is the metal, that is the salt that is still burning. That is the salt that is still burning. That is the salt that is burning. Okay. That is the salt that is burning. It was colored red. Scarlet red is the color of the salt that we have tested. Scarlet red is the color of the salt that we have tested. We will go now to salt number 2, Fa2. In Fa2, Fa2 Fa2 gives us a yellow flame. Fa2 gives us a yellow flame. It gives us a yellow flame. Fa3. Salt number 3, Fa3. It's giving us a lilac color. A lilac color. Fa3 is giving us a lilac color. Let's go to Fa4. Fa4. Fa4 gives us no distinctive color. Fa4 gives us no distinctive color. Let's go to Fa5. Fa5. This is a brick red color. The salt is giving us a brick red color. Then let's go to Fa6. Fa6. This is an apple green color. An apple green color. An apple green color is being produced. From all this, we have got all the colors of the 5 different salts. Use our data. Salt number 1, Fa1. Fa1 gave us a scarlet red color flame. Fa2 gave us a yellow color flame. You should know the type of metal that is present there. Fa3 gave us a lilac color. You should know the type of metal that is present there. The type of metal that is present there. Fa4, there was no distinctive color that was in Fa4. You should know the type of metal that is present there. Fa5 gave us a brick red. You should know the type of color that is present there. And Fa6 gave us an apple color. You should know the type of an apple color flame. You should know the type of metal that is also present there. Having analyzed all this, in your question paper, you will know whether the type of cation that is present. Is it a group 1 or the type of cation that is present in the salt. Then later on, you will know the metal. Is it a group 1 or a group 2 metal? From there, based on that information, you can now relate it or link it to the type of reactions that group 1 and group 2 metals they undergo, based on the information given on the question paper. Thank you very much. Subscribe and keep on watching the channel for many more practical videos. Thank you.